Hello 318. I'm going to briefly talk through Module 4. So a couple things to note. You are going to pick your own accounts for this one. It is a variation of the project that we did in Module 3. It's just now you're picking the accounts, so you're going to write all the introductory information and all the background information, all of that analysis. That is all sketched out for you in the module, so make sure you follow the headings that I've provided so that you can fulfill the entire project. You are going to write your research questions this time. You need to pick the accounts first so that you can write the research question. You've had examples of this. Capriotti provided examples. Chapter 3 works through all of the analysis and what's possible and what's not possible, especially that capturing follower changes is not possible. It's not possible in 5 weeks. It's not possible in 15 weeks. You need years. You also do not need to do any secondary research. You are going to cite Capriotti et al. You're going to cite chapter 3, and then you are doing primary research. You are collecting the data in the social media account that you've selected. Okay, so you're going to select accounts. You are going to write a research question using the Module 3 research question as a guide to help you figure out what you can and can't ask, considering what is unique about the accounts in the discourse community that you are following so that your research question reflects that. And then you're going to write a hypothesis that answers your research question. Same as with Module 3. Doesn't matter if your hypothesis is right or wrong. Does not impact your grade at all. The focus here is it measurable? Do you collect data that answers the research question and demonstrates whether your hypothesis was correct or not? And then ultimately with the final project, do you analyze the data and really talk through what did you show about your research question and what does that mean culturally? That's the focus of this paper, and that's where all your points are coming from. Not whether you were right or wrong. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter at all. Okay, so we are doing basically a big extension where you've selected the accounts of what we did in Module 3, so you're just continuing to build on the skills that you developed there. We go through multiple drafts during this process to ensure that you get ample feedback. Use the rubrics to help you know what to submit for each of the drafts so you can really focus on what to work on, and use the assignment overview as a guide for what sections you need to include in this final project. If you have questions as you're working through it, come to office hours, send me an email, send me a note on Tumblr. Otherwise, I'll see you online.